I signed up for the Diploma in Advanced Pharmacology for two reasons. Firstly, I just completed a PhD in basic in vitro pharmacology, so I wanted to make an effort to retain the knowledge that I'd gained during that. And as an example of what was really useful in this regard was the workshop in general and advanced receptor theory. And then the second reason is that I then entered a postdoc in clinical development, but in the animal health industry. So I was intrigued to find out how it compared with R&D in human medicine, and in particular the workshop on drug discovery and development was useful. So the aspects that I most enjoyed were the oral and poster presentations, as they gave me an opportunity to present my research to a wider audience and effectively to have several people at the same time evaluate your research. And also it gave me more confidence in public speaking, which is always good. And the question and answer sessions that you have afterwards gives you the opportunity to defend your research, which is really good practice if you're doing a PhD at the time or you're planning to do one. In addition, I felt that I improved my problem-solving abilities through the interactive group discussions as part of the workshops. I also improved my ability to critically think when it came to reading through literature as part of the dissertation, also the reflective accounts. I also gained a lot of knowledge in areas that I was very unfamiliar with. In particular, I attended a workshop on bioimaging in pharmacology, which I had no previous experience of. The advice I give myself, if I were to re-enroll onto the diploma, would be to start the dissertation as early as possible, because it can be quite a large time commitment, particularly if you have a full-time job at the same time. However, I don't think that should discourage people. It has many benefits. You get to engage with an expert in the field in which your dissertation's in, and in addition, it enables you to increase your ability to think critically about the literature that you're reading, and also to get a greater ability to assimilate a large amount of information into a coherent piece of work. So overall, the dissertation I think was a very positive experience. I think people in both academia and industry would benefit from the diploma, probably in particular those who are thinking about a career in industry, or those who have started industry recently would probably benefit the most. But I also think the diploma is good CPD for physicians, and also even vets like myself who have an interest in drug discovery and development. And so overall, the diploma was a really positive experience for me.